Hi, it's NuWave Oven Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up some real homemade grilled cheese sandwiches because I'm going to grill them on an indoor grill. I'm going to be cooking them up on the NuWave Primo Grill Oven, so we're going to see about cooking up some real grilled cheese on that NuWave Primo right now. Alright, so the ingredients for this cook are pretty basic and simple since we're doing grilled cheese sandwiches. I've got myself 2 slices of my homemade bread. Basically, one slice of this is so large, basically I just cut it in half to make 2 slices because it's so big. I've also got 4 slices of Haverty cheese here, basically 2 slices of cheese will go into each sandwich. And I've just got myself some buttery spread that I'll spread on one side of the bread. Before I actually get the grilled cheese sandwiches onto the NuWave Primo on the grill plate, I'm going to get things preheated. I found that for the grilled cheese sandwich, it's good to do it in a preheat manner. So I'm going to turn the NuWave Primo on, up temperature all the way to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Going to leave the heating elements at 50% top, 50% bottom. Going to lower the time of this cook down to just 7 minutes. So I've got my temperature locked in, I got my time and my heating element settings, and now I'm just going to hit the preheat button to start my preheat and hit start. While things are preheating, I'm going to start prepping my grilled cheese sandwiches. So first thing I'm going to do here, I'm just going to go ahead and get my buttery spread all over. Sorry about all that banging and clanging there. But I'm going to get this buttery spread all over the side of each of these pieces of bread. Basically I'm going to butter down one side of each, and then I'm going to basically slice them, and going to have that side with the butter facing the outside so that gets the heat and get some char, any char, any sear marks or such will be on that side. And I'll put the cheese inside, of course. So just get my buttery spread out all over this bread. And I gotta tell you, as I've said before, doing homemade bread is so much more economical and convenient and easier than the cost of going out and buying bread at the store. You know what's in it. I've just been enjoying making the bread at home big time. Alright, so I got my buttery spread all over my bread. So I'm just going to cut these slices of bread in half. And so got that one sliced, gonna cut this one in half because they're just so large coming out of that bread machine. Flip them over so now they'll be on the bottom, on the exterior. I'm gonna put 2 slices of cheese, as I mentioned, inside each. So I like to kind of put them in different directions, not directly on top of one another. So I'm going to do like that there. I'm going to get this other one here, do like that there, and do this one in a slightly different direction like that. I'm going to top my sandwiches, and basically from this point just going to wait for, got my finger right in the butter. Going to wait for things to finish with the preheat. Once the preheat is done, we'll get that lid off and we'll start putting sandwiches in. Alright, that preheat just ended. So I get 5 minutes countdown to get my food on. So I'll just move the dome out the way. I'm going to put my sandwiches that I'm sticking my finger all in the butter of. You can hear them sizzle as soon as they go on. Ooh, almost didn't get the dome on right. Alright, now I hit start. It starts cooking. Gonna let this side cook for about 4 minutes, and then I'll do a flip. So we'll see how this works out. Alright, just a little over 2 minutes have passed, but I'm going to, well now 3 minutes have passed. I'm going to pause. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm not going to wait 4 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and flip now after 3. Look at those grill marks. Working out good. Alright, so we've done 3 minutes on one side. I may just do 3 or 2 on this side, so I'm going to bring it down. Let's take it down to 2. So do 3 on one side, 2 minutes on the opposite side, since it's already been in there cooking nice and hot. And let's see how that other side looks after just 2 minutes. Alright, so we're coming into those final seconds, basic 3 minutes on one side, 2 on the other. We preheated things, so things should be nice and sizzly. So I'm going to hit the off button now that time has run out before it starts all that excess beeping. And let's have a look at the other side. Look at that, nice grilled cheese on both sides. Alright, so I got myself a second plate so I can get both these off. I'm going to put one here for taste test, the other just to get it off the heat. Just going to set that there and leave that one sitting there. This one we'll just do our taste test on, have a close look at that. Going to swap the camera around and do a taste test. Alright, here's our grilled cheese. Nice sear marks on both sides, I like it. Let's taste. Winner all day. Now I started with 7 minutes because in some of my testing before I started using the preheat method, I was trying like 7 minutes without preheat. You don't get those nice sear marks as deep if you don't do the preheat. So started doing the preheat method, and so with kids I get plenty of time to test out different ways of doing grilled cheese because they love grilled cheese. So anyway, after doing that preheat and doing, as we saw, 3 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other, perfectly grilled cheese, for real grilled cheese on a grill. So definitely want to hear your comments. If you want to get written form recipes, you can go to superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can always come to this YouTube channel through waveovenrecipes.com. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at waveovenrecipes. Also, I've got the new podcast at anchor.fm/waveovenrecipes. Also, check out John Sanders' YouTube channel. That's just John, well, you can do like youtube.com/c/John Sanders with no spaces to get right to his channel. He does some great work with the Ninja Foodie. And so, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.